Cold calling is scary, right? The fear of rejection, not knowing what to say, and that dreaded hang up. I have been there. But here's the truth. Cold calling is one of the most powerful tools in sales if you do it right. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to crush your first call with confidence. Why cold calling still works. First things first, is cold calling dead? Absolutely not. In fact, when done correctly, cold calling can open doors faster than any email campaign or LinkedIn message. It's direct, personal, and builds instant human connection. Before you even pick up the phone, here's what you need to do. Research your prospect. Know their role and company. Prepare your mindset. Expect rejection and don't take it personally. Write down your opening line. Confidence comes from preparation. The perfect cold call script. Here's a simple 3-part structure for your first call. Number 1. Open strong. Say their name and yours, then get permission. For example, "Hi Sarah, this is Mark from Dial to Deal. Did I catch you at a bad time?" Number 2. State your reason. Why you're calling in one sentence. Number 3. Engage. Ask a question that sparks interest. Keep it short. The goal isn't to sell on the call. The goal is to start a conversation. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't sound like a robot. Don't start with "How are you today?" It sounds fake. And most importantly, don't pitch immediately. Build curiosity first. So there you have it, the complete beginner's guide to cold calling. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because I'll be dropping more calling tips, objection handling strategies, and real call breakdowns. And tell me in the comments, what scares you most about cold calling? Thank you.